Every crocodile hide is graded based on quality and scale pattern. Only premium hides continue through the manufacturing line. The preserved salt is washed away using industrial rotating drums. This prepares the hides for chemical treatment.
Make sure the edges are fully submerged.
Yes, pulling it now.
Each crocodile hide is trimmed for consistent dimensions. Accurate shaping improves later processing. Pickling balances the hide's chemistry before tanning. It prepares the leather for long-term durability. Tanning transforms raw hide into durable leather. This is one of the most important manufacturing stages. The tanning solution reaches deep into the leather fibers. This increases strength and longevity. Freshly tanned leather now has improved strength. It is ready for excess moisture removal. Precision splitting creates uniform leather thickness. This ensures consistent quality for luxury products.
Neutralization balances the leather after tanning. The hides are now ready to absorb color evenly. Premium leather dye is introduced under controlled conditions. The rotating drum ensures even color penetration.
The temperature is holding steady at 35.
Okay, slowing the rotation now.
The leather now displays its final base color. It moves to the draining stage. Conditioning oils restore flexibility and softness. They also improve the leather's durability.
Humidity is stable at 65%. Noted. The texture feels correct on these greens.
Stretching produces a smooth and uniform surface. It also stabilizes the leather dimensions. Computer-controlled drying preserves the leather's quality. Moisture is reduced evenly across every hide. Staking relaxes the leather fibers. The result is a soft, luxurious feel. Buffing creates a smoother and more refined surface. It prepares the leather for finishing. A protective finish seals and enhances the crocodile leather. The hides are now ready for embossing and final quality refinement. A protective finish seals and enhances the crocodile leather. The hides are now ready for embossing and final quality refinement. Controlled cooling stabilizes the embossed surface. The leather retains its premium appearance. Every hide undergoes a detailed visual inspection. Only premium quality leather continues. Electronic gauges verify consistent leather thickness. Precision measurements ensure manufacturing quality. Computer-guided trimming creates perfectly clean edges. Each hide is prepared for cutting layouts. Digital nesting software minimizes material waste. It selects the best sections for luxury products. Computer-controlled cutting delivers exceptional accuracy. Each panel matches the digital design. Robotic handling keeps every leather panel organized. Each component is tracked for the next stage. Each leather panel is digitally tracked before production begins. Only premium sections are selected for luxury products. Special leather adhesive strengthens future seams. Only a precise amount is applied.
Carefully folded edges create a refined appearance. The leather is now ready for stitching.
Industrial stitching permanently joins the leather pieces. Strong seams ensure long-lasting durability.
Extra reinforcement protects high-stress areas. This increases the product's lifespan. Premium hardware is installed with precision. Every fitting is checked for perfect alignment. Edge painting improves both appearance and durability. The finish protects the leather from wear. The finishing materials are fully cured under controlled conditions. The luxury products are now ready for final polishing. Soft polishing reveals the leather's rich natural beauty. The finish enhances both appearance and durability. Every product is carefully cleaned by hand. The surface is prepared for final inspection. A luxury brand mark is applied with precision. The logo confirms premium craftsmanship. Each product passes through a comprehensive quality inspection. Only flawless items receive final approval. Every moving component is tested repeatedly. The finished product must perform flawlessly. A protective conditioner enhances long-term durability. It keeps the leather soft and luxurious. Every finished item is documented before packaging. Digital records support quality tracking. Each package receives a unique tracking identity. This ensures complete production traceability.
Finished luxury products are organized for worldwide distribution. The manufacturing journey is nearly complete.
Every shipment is digitally verified before leaving the factory. Accurate tracking ensures reliable worldwide delivery. Shipping containers are carefully prepared before loading. Protection from moisture is essential for premium leather. Every pallet is loaded with maximum care. Secure fastening protects the products throughout the journey. Security seals protect every shipment from the factory. Documentation confirms the cargo is ready to travel.
The finished products now begin their global journey, from factory floor to customers around the world.
International logistics systems coordinate every shipment. The products move efficiently toward global markets.
Heavy lifting equipment prepares the shipment for export. The luxury leather products continue their journey overseas.
From skilled craftsmanship to global distribution, each shipment represents exceptional manufacturing. After a long journey, the shipment reaches an international distribution center. Every package remains protected and fully traceable. Advanced logistics systems direct every order efficiently. Each product is routed to its destination. The luxury leather products continue their final journey. They are now headed to premium retail stores. Every item is carefully unpacked before reaching customers. The premium finish remains flawless. Each handcrafted product is presented with pride. The craftsmanship speaks through every detail.
Premium materials and skilled craftsmanship create lasting value. Every detail reflects careful manufacturing.
Every stitch and every finish reflects expert precision. Luxury begins with exceptional materials.
Behind every luxury product is a world of advanced manufacturing. Thousands of skilled operations work together each day. From raw hide to world-class luxury craftsmanship, this is the complete Siamese crocodile leather manufacturing process. Thank you for exploring the complete crocodile leather manufacturing process. See you in the next Inside the Factory documentary.